Ever imagined how dirty is your washing machine? Disease experts claim that, in half a year of usage, the household washing machine's bacteria gets over the standard rate by as high as 81.3%. This household magic washing machine cleaner works by penetrating, dissolving and removing residues, mold and bacteria to keep them from causing laundry problems down the road. Say goodbye to unseen germs on your freshly cleaned clothes. Compared to other antibacterial washing machine cleaners, this deep cleaning effervescent tablet is smaller and thinner, more powerful to penetrate, dissolve and break up odor-causing residues and bacteria. This washer deep cleaning effervescent tablet kills 99% of bacteria and other pathogens in 20 minutes time, with a dilution ratio of 1 to 100 of product to water, effectively clean the harmful and stagnant dirt even if it is invisible, keeping your washing machine cleaner and fresher. It's suitable for both metal or plastic front-load washers or top-load washers, high-efficiency or traditional washing machines. It's convenient to use. Simply put one piece of household magic washing machine cleaner into the empty washing machine. Then input water and allow rotation for 15 minutes. When done, switch off and allow to settle for 3 hours. This cleaner works best when temperature is at 40 degrees Celsius. After that, switch on and spin in normal mode. This household magic washing machine cleaner will magically wipe away residues. There's no need to disassemble the washing machine, and you can still get a clean washer and enjoy a healthier life.